Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. Today I am just playing with the LA Girl Main Stage Desert Dream eyeshadow palette. I'm just doing eyes, nothing else, just the eyes, and that's it. My eyes already been primed with the NYX Skin Tone Primer, Skin Tone Base Eye Primer. So I am back and I'm going to play in another set of colors. I am going to do an all shimmer. Oh, this looks nice. This looks delicious. Take a look. This looks delicious. Oh my good Lord. I haven't touched the color yet in the palette. Oh, this is nice. I hope I'm not too far and you can see me. Oh yes, I like this color. This color is cute. And I mean cute pretty. Wow. I love this color. Oh, this color is pretty. What can I put with this? I'm just trying to make sure it's all nice and smooth. That in the middle, do a halo with it. This one is a little flaky. All the other shimmers are fine except this one seems to be flaky. I guess this one wants to be. Spray my hand so I can see if this is why it's flaky. Let's see. Okay, much better with my hand wet. We were going for a halo, but I think that has all been changed. So we will just work with that. This is pretty. Beautiful. Okay, it works. That one works very good wet. Even though I spread it, it still flakes. I think it needs to be really applied wet. I am back and I am only doing eyes today. So this is the next eye look. I am back and I'm only creating eye looks today. No foundation, no mascara, no blush, no concealer, just eyeshadow and liners. Eyeshadow and eyeliners. So this is the next look. This is today's look. I'm using the LA Girl Main Stage palette. I use this color right. I use this color right here. That's pretty. That's one all over the eyes. Then I take this shimmer right here and I put on top of the lids. I was gonna make a halo, but then I went too far into the outer corner, so I call that okay. I'm done with the halo look. Whatever you call this, that's what it is. And then I take the black and I just tuck it right there in the end. And that was the 3 colors I used. And that shimmer, this one right here, this shimmer right here works better when it's wet. When I try to use it to dry, it flaked. When I wet the brush and my finger a little, it worked better. So just so you know. But this is today's eye makeup look. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first, love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Just eyes. See you soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.